root. Okay. Finding square root using bar or dot method. Okay. Question is, find the value of root 3 up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. This is the question. First, you should know one thing. In this process particularly, the number which is given, for example, if you want to find out the square root of 13,225, for example. If you want to find the square root in this method, on every 2 places from right to left, you have to apply the bar. So here 2, 5, 1 bar, 3, 2, 1, 1 bar, and here 1 will be left. So it means you have to begin the problem with 1. Just example I am saying. So here also, what is the given number? 3 is the given number, and it is given that we have to find out the value up to 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places means 6 zeros should be taken, because every 2 zeros we have to consider as 1 place. Okay? So 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 1 place, second place, third place. Okay. So now first we have to begin the problem with 3. Okay. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. These all are the square numbers. So 1 ones are 1, which is less than 3. 2 twos are 4, which is more than 3. So we have to take 1 ones are 1. So 1 ones are 1. 2 is the remainder. And next we have to take 2 zeros at a time. Okay. So now we have to double this number. By doubling 1 we get 2. Now we have to prepare a table by using 2. Okay. 2 is common. 21 ones are 21. 22 twos are 44. 23 threes are 69. 24 fours are 96. 25 fives are 125. 26 sixes are 156. 27 sevens are 49. 7 4 189. 28 eights are 8 64. 6 16 plus 6 22. So 27 sevens are 189, which is less than 200, but 28 eights are 224, which is more than this. So we have to take 27 sevens are. 27 sevens are 189. And again we have to take 2 zeros at a time, 1100. Now we have to double this 1 and 7 both, 17. So 17 plus 17, 34. 34. Okay. So now we have to form a table with 34. 3 4 3 4 3 4 is common. 341 ones are 341. 342 twos are 2 is a 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 684. 343 threes are 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 1, 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 10, 1029. Okay. 344 fours are 4 fours are 16, 1, 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17, 1, 4 threes are 12 plus 1, 13. So 343 threes are 1029, which is less than 1100, and 344 fours are 1376, which is more than this. So we have to take 343 threes are. Okay, 1029, and the remainder is 79. So again we have to take 2 zeros. So now we have to double the number 173. 173 plus 173, 346. 346. Okay. So now we have to form a table with 346. 3,461 ones are 3,461. 3,462 twos are 2 is a 4, 2 6 are 12, 1, 8 plus 1 9, 2 3 is a 6, 3 threes are 3 threes are 9, 3 6 are 18, 1, 3 4 are 4 plus 1 13, 1, 9 plus 1 10. So 3,462 twos are 6924, which is less than 7,100, and 10,389, which is more than this. So we have to take 3,462 twos are 2 twos are, which is equal to 6924. And here we will get some reminder. So this is the value of root 3 up to 3 decimal places. So finally, root 3 is equal to 1.732. Hope you understand. In this way, you can find the value of any number up to decimal places, up to 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places, as you wish. Okay? Thank you.